What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette, and this is Immaculate Life, and I am going to be doing an eyewear haul. Welcome to my channel. This video is in partnership with Fytoo Eyewear. Y'all, I'm super excited because I love my glasses, and this is going to be so much fun. But before we get started, I would love for you all to please, before you leave the video, to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on, so that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Fytoo Eyewear is a prescription, non-prescription eyewear company. They also have sunglasses as well. So I was excited when they reached out to me. So let me go ahead and give them a huge shout out and thank you for reaching out. So y'all, this is so exciting for me because I love, like I keep saying, I love the trendy, the fashion, and all that good stuff. If you go to the site, you'll find some really fun glasses, and the pair that I have two pair that are prescription and one pair that is non-prescription. So I'm going to be showing y'all that in a few minutes, and I'm also going to be doing a really quick unboxing. So this is how the box came. Inside the box, I have 3 pairs of glasses. I'm going to be showing you those in a few. So they each have a pouch like this, and inside the pouch they also have a microfiber cleaning cloth. It comes with a little small hand flip like this. They also send in a ruler, so that way you can measure the distance between your pupils, so that way your glasses can fit perfectly. And then you also have some tools on the inside as well. Let's go ahead and open up those tools so you can all see what's on the inside. So you actually get this. It's a key, something that you can attach to your keychain. And this is a tool in case you need to tighten or loosen up those glasses. I think this is pretty cool. And you also have another microfiber cleaning cloth. Y'all, this is so cool. I really like these. So I think these are the same thing. I think they sent 2 in my box. So they sent 2 of these, y'all. And they also sent extra nose pieces in case you break it or in case you lose one of those nose pieces on those glasses. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do a really quick try on for you. I also did a outfit try on with them as well. Be sure to stay through to the end of the video. Okay, so the first pair that I'm going to be showing you is called the Yale. I'm calling them the Yale glasses. These are super cute. I really like them. So they came in like a brown, a turquoise blue, and clear. So let me put these on for you. So y'all, aren't these super cute? I thought these were really cute. Let me bring you closer so you can really see it. I will be sure to leave the code for these in the description box. I thought these was really cute, and I really like these because it has the silver sparkle in it, and I wear a lot of silver. And now these that I have on, these are not prescription, but I thought they were sassy. I thought they were fun, y'all. It goes with my blonde hair. I thought they were really cute. Very nice. I see this with like some tan. You could do it with some black. I mean, I'm all about making that outfit look extremely trendy. So I really thought these were really cute, and I wanted to show these off for you. And again, like I said, they come in like a turquoise blue and a clear. And I think I might get those clear as well because I like these glasses so much. Let me come in closer. I love the style. I love the frames. Yes, y'all. Super cute. And it's just such a basic, and one thing about me is I'm a basic type of chick, so just looking at these, it's basic and sassy at the same time, so I really do love these. Now the next pair, y'all, these are prescription, but I wanted to have some fun with these, y'all. So the reason why I chose these, because I just wanted to do something fun. It's summertime. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to stand out a little bit, y'all. So I decided to grab these green ones because I know that I'm going to be wearing a lot of bright colors this summer. So I thought these were going to be super fun. So here we go. Now these are the lime green ones. I'm gonna pull them closer so you all can see. I think these are so super, super cute. And I did put a video, I did put an outfit together with these glasses. So be sure, like I said, stay tuned to the end of the video to check it out. Cause y'all, these are so cute and I thought they'd be so fun. Now this style is called the Carey. And these come in like a dark green. It comes in like a yellow. I think the yellows would be so much fun. But y'all, aren't these cute? Let me get closer so you can see. Yes, I love these. So the last pair that I'm going to be showing you are black, and you always got to have a pair of black. These are prescription as well. So let me go ahead and put these on for you. Now I love these. Aren't these cute, y'all? I love these. And these are called the Joyce. These come in purple, red, and tortoise shell. Now, I think these are extremely cute. Let me zoom in so you all can take a look. I'm gonna leave the links and the codes in the description box, y'all. So y'all be sure to check that out. But I thought these were super, super cute. These are perfect for work. I'm a hairstylist, so these are perfect for when I wear my black. Y'all, these glasses are everything. Yes, they are giving what they're supposed to give. I'm super excited about these. So I'm definitely gonna go and get some more glasses. I think I want these as well, but I think I might want these in red because I think the red would be really, really cute. So y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be sure to leave all links in the bottom of my description box. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Let me know which one of these glasses were your favorite. I gotta say, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think these are my favorite. I also love the green because they're fun, of course. But be sure to leave some comments and let me know your thoughts. I appreciate each and every one of you for hanging out with me. And again, I wanna thank Fytoo Eyewear for partnering up with me on this video, and I really, really do appreciate them for reaching out. And don't forget to stay tuned because I have some outfits that I put together towards the end of the video. I may put them in the beginning, but I think I'm gonna put them towards the end. And again, I appreciate you all. I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a awesome, awesome week.